A single movement, a single strike, a single decision can change everything. From the streets of East London to the biggest stadium in the world, he did not just play football, he redefined it. This is not just a story of fame, this is a story of pressure and powerful comebacks. This is a story of David Beckham. Some chase success, but legends bend it to their will. Where it all began. David Beckham was not born into greatness, he built it. Growing up in a football loving family, deeply devoted to Manchester United, his dream was clear from day one. While others played for fun, Beckham trained with obsession. Empty fields, long hours, countless repetition, free kicks again and again, until perfection felt natural. He did not wait for opportunity, he prepared for it. At just 11 years old, he wins a football skill competition. A small victory, but a massive signal. Greatness does not start on big stages. It starts when no one is watching. Forged in fire, Manchester United. A young Beckham enters the academy of Manchester United under the strict visionary leadership of Sir Alex Ferguson. Boys were turned into warriors. This was the legendary class of '92 with players like Ryan Giggs and Paul Scholes. Beckham was not just learning, he was evolving. Then came the moment, opening day. He sees the goalkeeper off his line. One touch, one look, one strike. Goal from the halfway line. Silence, then explosion. In that moment, the world learned his name. Not for speed, not for strength, but for precision, vision and audacity. Ordinary players take chances, but extraordinary players create them. More than a footballer. By the late 90s, Beckham had crossed a rare line. He was not just a football anymore. He was a global phenomena. Fashion, media, endorsement, and alongside Victoria Beckham, he became part of one of the most talked about couples in the world. But with fame comes weight, and sometimes that weight crushes. The fall that shook the world. In the 1998 FIFA World Cup, England versus Argentina, a moment of frustration, a kick, a red card, England is out. And Beckham, he becomes public enemy number one. Burned jerseys, headlines full of hate, a nation's anger on one man. This was not criticism, this was rejection. Most would break here, but Beckham absorbed it. When the world turned against him, he turned inward and rebuilt himself. The redemption strike. England versus Greece. World Cup qualification on the line. Last minute, one chance, free kick. Beckham stepped forward. The stadium hold his breath. He strike. The ball curves, deeps and flies. Goal. England qualifies. History rewritten. From villain to hero in one perfect moment. Pressure does not break the great, it reveals them. The Galactico era. A new chapter begins. Beckham joins Real Madrid, a team of superstars, alongside legends with Zidane. Critics questioned him. Was he more celebrity than footballer? Beckham answered, not with words, but with work. Training harder, playing smarter, delivering consistently. He proved something important. Fame did not make him weaker, it made him sharper. A risk that changed the game. A shocking move. Beckham joins LA Galaxy. People said he is finished. He chose money over legacy. But Beckham saw what others did not. Opportunity. He did not just play in America. He elevated football in an entire country. Leaders don't follow trends, they create them. The final whistle. Beckham retires and Paris Saint-Germain. No drama, no noise, just respect. A career built on discipline, resilience and evolution. Legacy beyond football. Today Beckham is more than a former player. He is a builder of the future, co-owner of Inter Miami CF, shaping the next generation of football. A global ambassador of UNICEF, using his platform to change lives. Because true greatness is not measured in goals, but in impact. David Beckham's story is not perfect, it is better than perfect. It's real. It's about failing, fighting and rising stronger. You don't need perfect condition to succeed, just relentless belief. Your lowest moment can become your defining moment. Bend your effort like Beckham, bend the ball and watch destiny follow. This was not just football. This was the art of never giving up. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.